Hi everyone, my name is Francis Blamise. I'm the captain here for the Alameda County Fire Department. Today, on Monday, we are doing a firefighter preparatory class for station visit etiquette and also mechanical aptitude. And we're here for the community to support and show our commitment to getting young, factious firefighters that can hopefully potentially work for our department here in the next coming years. So thank you very much.
Tonight we're teaching the mechanical aptitude portion of the fire test.
Hi, welcome to the ACFD preparatory class. This is our second class in a series of classes that will last all the way through June 2020. Look forward to seeing you come, learn about ACFD in this fire department, and we just look forward to seeing you sometime soon at the next preparatory class.